Right, mphakathi omuhle, kwaze kwamnandi namhlanje kwaze kwaba so lovely. Ngilethemba abaningi liyangazi igama nginguMastercard uDJ Zero from GYFM studio eCloud Park koBulawayo eZimbabwe. Guys, angifuna ukuqeda ngesikhathi engilaso lapha. Laba abantu ababili engilabo lapha. Ngilethemba liyababona. Ngilabantu engilabo ababili lapha. Abanye bajayele ukubona lo mfowethu kuma social media platforms afana nabo YouTube, abo TikTok, abo Instagram and wherever they. Then abanye bajayele ukubona usisinyana lo umntwana esilaye lapha njalo kuma social media platforms ayihlukeneyo ahlanganisela abo Facebook, abo TikTok, abo Instagram and whatever uma social media khona lapho. Ngizathanda ukuthi mina ngiphe introduction here. Guys, what a surprise, what a surprise. Lo jaha elimbona lapha bambiza, simbiza, ngimbiza King Hlathi. King Hlathi guys, King Hlathi. A surprise visit from South Africa. My bra, King Hlathi is keeper.
Hayi, ngiyaphila futhi umntana.
Queen right.
Hayi, siyangena.
Ngiyabona yabobotheka.
Hayi ngijabule.
Okusho ukuthi into zonke zikhamba kahle.
Ngijabule kakhulu.
Hi bo man. All the way from South Africa guys. Uthethe iflight. Yazi ukuthi ngifuna ukuthatha iflight. Uthethe iflight from South Africa to Zimbabwe. Live ukhona lapha GYFM studio koBulawayo koNtuthu eCloud Park kahle eZimbabwe. Lo usisinyana elimbona lapha lokho okuncane lokho. Lokho okuncane lokho bathi kula sokuhluphile ku social media. She is Go Kelly guys. Go Kelly is keepani.
Right.
Ushapho wena. Uyabobotheka. Iziyakhipha. Katlona na una nakabantu. Ngwakho. Guys, nguGo Kelly liyambona lapha. Abanengi guys bakhona asebekwazi ukuthi uKing Hlathi ule ngoma ayenzayo eyafeature nguGo Kelly esithi thina featuring yafeature uGo Kelly lo munye ujaha ongekho lapha uBra Mthulisi anjo all the way from Lower Gweru but now use SA anjo use SA Bra Mthuli is keeper my bra let's hope grain lapho imphethu King Hlathi eKasi live eCloud Park koNtuthu edolobheni elikhulu ngilaye namhlanje lapha guys abayaziyo kuma social media platforms kule ngoma esitrenda manje and uKing Hlathi is the first artist ngathi mina is the first artist owa recognizer uGo Kelly wathanda ukuthi ngokusheshsha ngokuphazima kweso